I'm interested in IT, but it's not just the cool digital stuff. For me, it's also important that you create business value throughout the whole business value chain. My name is Jennie Ravn-Fischer and I'm a program manager at SKF IT. Spring 2016, we started working in a project together with the Motion Technology business unit at SKF. The challenge was to set a foundation for making them a standalone business unit, and by that enabling a turnover of the business result. And implementing an end-to-end ERP system was recognized as a success factor in making that change.
Working with Jennie and the team, in early days, in the beginning, we decided we don't want to create boundaries between IT professionals and the business professionals. And this was because we wanted to create a fast-moving team, a dynamic team, where we could implement and deploy things rapidly.
We have had obstacles in this project, so while we've been busy designing, creating and rolling out an ERP solution, the business has undertaken a huge business transformation project. So we have had to cope with moving targets and scope changes.
The challenge was quite high, I have to say. We had to do 17 sales units and 7 factories within 2.5 years.
So the outcome is that we have been able to design, create and roll out an end-to-end ERP solution at numerous sales and manufacturing units. And in addition to this, we've also been able to implement a CRM tool and a new e-commerce platform, and all this within just 2 years. At SKF we talk a lot about volition, our inner drive, and I think that's very important. And I can feel that I'm surrounded by colleagues who are really committed. And we are part of this big journey where the world around us is changing and we have to change along with it. So I truly hope that we soon will see more talented people joining SKF IT and that they will be part of our journey.